Okay na? So, tapos na kami maglinis. Tagalog tayo yan. Tapos na kami maglinis ng furnace. High efficient furnace. Nandito man yung kliyente o wala. Since day 1 ginagawa namin to. We always run sequence of operation bago kami mag-umpisa. At nag-run kami ulit ng another sequence of operation after namin maglinis. Let's say, wala yung may-ari dito. I have to run the furnace. Tapos, make sure sasend natin yung video dun sa owner ng furnace kasi wala siya dito ngayon. So, yun. Assuming we turn on the power, next one is ipupush natin tong door switch. Okay? After natin i-push yung door switch, we will expect na ang unang gagana is inducer, followed by pressure switch, magka-close siya, give signal to igniter. After the igniter, gas bulb, mag-open yung gas bulb natin, and then after that, mag-shoot ng flame. Okay? Let's do it. Okay, as we expect, inducer. Followed by igniter. Makikita mo yung mag-glow na kulay orange sa loob. That's the igniter. Okay? You will hear a click. That's the gas valve. So, nag-shoot na siya ng flame. So, yung orange na nag-glow is magsisettle down kasi you don't need the igniter anymore. So, yung blue na nakikita mo, that's the flame. So, natural gas flame. So, right now, yung blower natin is tumatakbo na din kasi sumabay siya ng takbo sa inducer. So, if there's any problem, hindi siya magtutuloy-tuloy yung sequence na ginawa ko. At the same time, pag umapoy siya, tapos nag-shutdown siya, sabihin may problema tayo sa flame sensor. But, we started the furnace cleaning nang walang problema. So, iwanan natin siya ng same condition. Bye!